If you're wondering how you can change the font size on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Display and Brightness. And from here you will find a feature called Text Size. Just tap on it, and from here you can swipe the slider to the left side and you will decrease the font size just like that. As you can see in the preview, we have decreased the font size. And if we go back, as you can see, we have successfully decreased the font size on our iPhone. Now to increase it, in Settings, just go back to Display in Brightness, and from here, just tap on Text Size. Now this time, just swipe the slider to the right side. And by doing that, you will increase the size of the font on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can change the font size on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.